those details with us. We're going to deal with that and shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in on the broadcast, where Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdev has spoken on the Delhi Assembly session. He slammed up, stating that in the last 10 years, anarchy and dictatorship attitudes were adopted in the name of the Assembly session. He appealed to the opposition to now come out of the anarchic thinking and work together with the Delhi government. Listen in.
आज से दिल्ली की विधानसभा का जो सत्र प्रारंभ हो रहा है, सही मायनों में दिल्ली में सच्ची लोकतंत्र की बहाली का ये दिन है। पिछले 10 सालों में इस विधानसभा सत्र के बहाने से अराजकता, मनमानी और मैं कहूं तो एक तानाशाही का रवैया अपनाया गया था। लोकतंत्र की सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है सार्थक बहस, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि अब दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमती रेखा गुप्ता के नेतृत्व में सही मायनों में इस विधानसभा में सार्थक बहस भी होगी और दिल्ली के विकास को लेकर चिंता भी होगी।
Arzu on the telecast with me. Arzu, take our viewers through the details that we're tracking. What exactly has Mr. Virendra Sachdev said while slamming the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, yes, the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva said that the assembly session starting from today is a day of restoring the true democratic process. And he said that, for the past 10 years, although assembly sessions were held in Delhi, but they were only used to spread the arbitrary archery. And also the biggest strength of democracy is meaningful debate. And I hope that now, under the leadership of the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, there will be a truly meaningful debate in the assembly, and there will also be concern for the development of Delhi. There will be a constructive discussion that will be going to happen in the assembly. This is what the Virendra Sachdeva has to say, and also he appealed to the opposition for the constructive, discussion and not to create a nuisance in the assembly. And he also, said that the anarchic thinking and there is a need to work together with the Delhi government, because this Delhi assembly is a historic assembly. Yes, Asafri.
All right, Arzu, stay on with us. More breaking news coming in on the broadcast, where the Prayagraj High Court will hear the Mahakumbh Stampede case today. The High Court has sought information from the state's government on the stampede, which took place on January 29th. The court has asked the state government whether the scope of Judicial Commission's investigation into the matter can be widened. This can include identifying the number of casualties as well as other complaints related to the stampede. This comes after the filing of a PIL on behalf of High Court Bar Association General Secretary Suresh Chandra Pandey, which demands investigation under judicial supervision regarding details of people missing following the incident. Meanwhile, the state government has reportedly extended the Judicial Commission's tenure by 1 month. Arzu still with us on the broadcast. Arzu, take us through the details that we are tracking.
The case of a stampede that took place on the 29th January during the Mauni Amavasya in the Mahakumbh. Now the case will be heard in the Allahabad High Court today itself, and also the Allahabad High Court has sought information from the state government regarding the case of the stampede that happened on 29th. Also, the court has asked the state government whether the scope of investigation of the Judicial Commission can be increased, as after the incident there has been a Judicial Commission that has been formed to investigate the entire matter. In fact, the team has also reached to the spot to gather the inputs regarding the incident that happened and what led to such incident. And also, it can include identifying the number of casualties and looking into the other complaints related to this stampede or not. And also, a PIL has been filed demanding that the investigation to be done under the judicial supervision and correct details of the people missing after the incident be given. Also, if we talk about the court has had said that till now the scope for the commission does not include the investigation of other relevant details of this stampede. PIL has been filed by Suresh Chand, the former General Secretary of the High Court Bar Association, and in the PIL many demands have been made, including locating the missing people and correct counting of the victim in the stampede following of a monitoring committee, because there has been a lot of question that is also being raised by the opposition regarding the data that is being given by the government regarding the missing number, or we can say the death numbers, and in total there has been 30 people who were killed during this stampede in the Mahakumbh. Yes, Asabri.
Arzu, stay on with us. More breaking news coming in.